Welcome this video modern wood outdoor furniture cushion design combining comfort and elegance when it comes to create an inviting and stylish outdoor living space. The design of your furniture cushions play a pivot role. In recent years, the fusion of modern design principle with the timeless beautiful of wood furniture have less to asset in the popularity of modern wood outdoor furniture cushion design. Those design seamlessing blend comfort, aesthetic, and furniture transformer your outdoor area into a cozy haven that mirror the elegance of your indoor space. Neutral tone and textile. Newton color palettes have become a hallmark of modern design. Consider select outdoor cushion in mute tones such as grace, white stock, and soft blue. Those color create screen and common atmosphere white allowing the wood furniture to take center story. Furthermore, experiment with textile elements such as wing, fabric, or subtle pattern to add depth and visual material to the cushion, harmonizing indoor and outdoor. Modern wood outdoor furniture cushion can serve as an extension of your indoor design coordination. The color scheme, material, and design element between your indoor and outdoor space foster a sense of continuity and unique interaction material incorporating construction material into your cushion design can inform us as appear printing the away of wood furniture with material like metal layers or recycle, creating an entire just sporting embracing minimalist modern decor is simulation with clear line and minimalism aesthetic when it come to outdoor furniture cushion of wood price loss is often more other of cushion with streamlined shape and simple silhouette the complement of natural beauty of wood. This appearing not allow highlights the sophistication of the wood but also make the cushion easy to maintain and clear. In conclusion, modern wood outdoor furniture cushion design often a harmonic blend of contemporary aesthetic and timeless elegance by ambience maximalist principle nature tune invoking comfort solutions and e-friend musting you can create an outdoor living space. Those refer your personal style, wants, ambition during and furniture. Whether you are aiming of a size occasion